Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to do a get ready with me, show you my skincare routine, my makeup routine, and what am I going to wear for the day. Before I get into the skincare routine, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with Noble Panacea. Noble Panacea is a revolutionary skincare brand found by Sir Fraser Stoddart. Although I'm using their whole routine, eye cream, serum, moisturizer, and night cream, I want to focus on their brilliant Prime Radiance serum because it's one of a kind. And I'm going to tell you more about it, but first, I wanted to brag a little bit about this packaging. Not that I've made it, but I think it's so beautiful, so sleek and modern, made of recyclable material. This has no plastic. It's actually made of starch-based materials, and their active daily doses are 100% recyclable. This is the daily dose. This is everything you need to protect your skin. No more, how much should I use? This is the perfect dosage. And obviously you could open this, easily with your fingers. However, sometimes we apply multiple products on our skin and it becomes slippery. You could also opt to get this little cutter, I guess you could call it, that makes your work so much easier. I'm not gonna waste one more, but I have filmed prior and I showed you exactly how this serum goes on the skin. It's really amazing. It feels luxurious on the skin, and I'm not saying this only because you guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, but it really feels unbelievable on the skin. After you apply it, you feel like your skin is really drinking this serum. It feels very moisturized, very plump, and just a lot brighter overall. The key ingredient in this Prime Radiance Serum is the bakuchi oil, which is an alternative to a plant-based retinol, if you may, meaning that it acts like a retinol, but it's a plant-based, which means even I can use it while I'm pregnant. It also has glycolic acid as one of their main active ingredients, which we all know that it is proven to really help improve the texture of your skin, and it reduces the look of the wrinkles and uneven skin tone. Everything from Noble Panacea is cruelty-free, and it's gluten-free, and it's formulated with no silicones, no parabens, no dyes or artificial colorants, and it also has no fragrance. So for those of you who are very sensitive to fragrance, you're good with Noble Panacea. Now, like I told you, the main focus is Prime Radiance Serum. However, I like to apply the whole routine. This is great if you're also, a makeup artist, or if you travel a lot, because honestly, I just took the dosage and I put it in like a little envelope and I went to my client, and it was so much easier. During the fashion week, I did the same because I obviously I was getting much heavier being pregnant and I couldn't carry as much weight. So again, I just took the dosage and made everything so much easier with my clients. I can tell you that this works for every single skin type. So it doesn't really matter if you're dry or dehydrated, oily. These products are going to work for you no matter the type of skin you have. All the products from Noble Panacea are based on the technology called OSMV, that stands for Organic Supramolecular Vasal Technology. Obviously, I had to do a little bit of research for this because what do I know about chemistry? But in my simple words, they have the smart technology that senses the type of skin that you have and release the active ingredients in the right time and in the right dosage. Now, let me show you how I do a very radiant, simple makeup look. Foundation is the Phyto Nude from Sisley. I'm using the color 2W1 Light Beige. It's a very lightweight formula. But you'll see on top of this particular skincare, you just add luminosity. On my forehead, I like the least amount of product possible. I think I just don't need it. So I'm gonna spread it with my finger. This is one of my favorite concealers. The Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I think you guys already know by now how much I love it. And this is the Rose Ink brush. The color I'm using is Custard. After I spread it, I like to dab the product into the skin, almost like securing it. Then taking this lip and cheek color from Rose Ink in Azalea. And it's not completely matte. I did a review with everything from Rose Ink. If you guys want to see it, I'll put the link in here. I love the color and also this brush. It's very good to spread the product. I'm going to set my concealer and just around the nose with the powder from Makeup Forever. You guys know the drill. Taking a small brush. Then wherever my pores are huge, I'm going to press some powder in there. It's usually right here. This is the Giorgio Armani Fusion Powder. I'm using number 7. Has such a beautiful color. And then I blend the bronzer with the blush. Ilia Powder Brush, I love it. A little bit of powder on the neck as well. Universal highlighter from Violette. It looks like this. Gonna apply it with my fingers. I will get it on the eyelids as well. So in case it's creasing, I could just do this. Spread the product. I took my lip mask off and I'm gonna apply this Huda Beauty Silk Balm Rose Quartz. I got you super close because I want you to see how beautiful this is on the lips. Anastasia Brow Wiz. Slightly fill them in. "24-hour brow setter" from Benefit, and I always brush my eyebrows upwards. Give it a more natural look, I think. Then we're gonna curl Shiseido Eyelash Curler. This eyelash curler can get super close to the base of your lashes. You gotta be very careful. If you warm it with your hair dryer, I feel like the curve stays even longer. I mean, wow, look at this. Then immediately I move on with mascara. This is the Sweed Lashes mascara. I don't even go on the length, I just stay at the base. And it's gonna look like I have eyeliner at the base of my lashes. It's insane, this mascara. And I'm done with the makeup. It's a very luminous, radiant makeup look that you could wear no matter the occasion. I think a lot of people are more into matte lipsticks or semi-matte products right now during the autumn and the cold season, but my lips are so dry. I apply multiple times a day hydration on my lips and I still feel like they're very dry. I guess it has to do with the pregnancy, and also my heating system is on because it's kind of cold in Paris. But I think this look is beautifying no matter what you pair it with on your lips. Everything is gonna work. It's no surprise, as the time goes by, I have less and less options for my clothing. I am getting very big. I might be the real Hercules mother because 32 weeks and yeah, I look like I'm carrying twins. I can assure it's just one heartbeat in there. This is my outfit. Yes, I'm still wearing heels because I love them and I feel comfortable with them. This is the type of outfit that I wear pretty much all the time. It's either a very long, cozy dress or an oversized shirt with something on top. I really don't have a lot of options. Or leggings. It is raining outside, so I'm gonna wear this trench coat, which is a faux leather, and it's going to keep me safe from the rain. I love the colors of this outfit. I'm gonna link everything in the description box, but this dress, which I actually received it as a gift from my husband. It's from a brand called Pangaia, and it's cashmere. It's incredibly soft. Like, I cannot even tell you how soft this is. The trench coat is the Frankie shop. These awesome boots, they are Gia Borghini. It's an Italian brand. And the back doesn't really work with this very light outfit. However, I don't think I have anything that fits better. You guys, I have 5 bags. 5. That's it, okay? And I know that there are women who have like 20 bags. I have 5 bags. I love them. However, they're all black and I only have like one which is a very bright green, and that's it. Maybe I should get a new bag. My face is so swollen, but look at the glow. The glow is for real, guys. The glow is for real. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this. See you later.